Hey pupils! Today, we're going to take flight into the wonderful world of birds. Did you know that birds come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, and each one has something special about it? From the chirping sparrows and clever parrots to graceful swans and colorful peacocks, there's so much to learn and admire about these amazing creatures. Are you ready to spread your wings and explore the exciting world of birds? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can discover something new and fun every time we upload. Let's get started.
Walk through a world. Action meets learning. Globally connected with the world.
Parrot. Parrot. Crow. Crow. Pigeon. Pigeon. Duck. Duck. Hen. Hen. Sparrow. Sparrow. Owl. Owl. Eagle. Eagle. Swan. Swan. Peacock. Peacock. Goose. Goose. Turkey. Turkey. Robin. Robin. Dove. Dove. Hawk. Hawk. Penguin. Penguin. Seagull. Seagull. Flamingo. Flamingo. Raven. Raven. Quail. Quail. Chick. Chick. Swallow. Swallow. Starling. Starling. Hummingbird. Hummingbird.